temen ya di kamsa jai mong.
Temen ko pa miya meh. Yang hana hab mudu ya u MLA sungji.
Mana muda yang boleh jungi?
Tip sino meh mga. Abang alim ta la post nyang buat show.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
My name is Khasan Tonal Tisama and I'm staying in Jura West Garials, Meghalaya. Sell rice, sticky rice and millets, strawberries and juice like dark fruits and oranges and corn juice, jujube juice and chips like banana chips and tapioca chips and jackfruit chips. It's a homemade wine and it's homemade fruit chips and juice and black pepper.
So how's the demand?
Demand. Marketing is good.